Hi, my name's Lee. This is a property that we've recently purchased that needed some work. This is the top part of the veranda, so I looked at sandblasting as an option, which was quite expensive and messy. The paint is flaking off, and underneath that there was some surface rust. We've wire brushed the rust down, applied the Brunox straight on top of the rust, and it's really keyed in well to the surface of the steel. This is one of the posts that we've just applied some paint to over the top of the Brunox. As you can see, it's taken to it really well. Really happy with the finish over the top of the Brunox because of the smooth finish that we had. And it looks to be that they're going to come up really well with 2 or 3 coats of paint. The Brunox was excellent in sealing off the surface, but also creating a good undercoat for the top coat that I've applied. Other rust inhibitors that I've used in the past haven't left as good a sealed surface for the paint. Trying quite a few of them, this is certainly the best product that I could find.